in between. Now this elegant, fully furnished, beautiful and spacious 3-bedroom home is sitting on a land size of 50 feet by 70 feet. This beautiful, fully furnished 3-bedroom comes with everything you need: air-conditioned bedrooms, modern bathrooms with high-quality accessories, a fully equipped kitchen with all the appliances that is open to the main living space. And it also comes with this huge compound parking space that can take not less than 3 cars. Through this section is a beautiful landscaping along the edges of the fence all through to the backyard. Now let's check the backyard through this section of the outer perimeter. You've got a good amount of space from the main fence and that of the property about 6 feet away. This is an exit from the kitchen through this section to the backyard. You have an outside tap. This is the pumping machine on the ground floor with a provision for a cylinder outside. You've got beautiful windows. Now this is the ladder through which you have access to the rooftop and that's of the water storage tank upstairs. Now all the outer walls and the fence wall comes with graffiato painting. This also comes with a space of 4 feet away from the main property. You've got a compound tap as well for cleaning of the main compound parking space and the outer perimeter. Now this is the platform provided for a standby generator. The entrance gate comes with this solid metallic door that has a remote control device. This property is close to international schools, shopping malls and restaurants, hospital, and a major road that is just about 3-minute drive away from this property. While there are 4 units, currently we only have a unit available on the market and is readily available for your purchase with all the legal documents. Now let's see the inside of this elegant property. Well, we're currently in the inside of this elegant, cute property. As I earlier on mentioned, it is a fully furnished 3-bedroom home with a beautiful and modern fully furnished kitchen that is open to the living space. I must say this is beautifully put together and nicely set up. In this property, all you need is your luggage. Every other thing is nicely fitted and put in place for you. Now this portion of the living space is a dining area. It is nicely set up with this beautiful shelves and cabinetry for some decor pieces, and it comes with this beautiful ambience all around it. Now this door opens straight into the guest washroom. You have a spacious, clean guest washroom with high quality washroom accessories. Through this huge glass sliding door, we have access to the balcony. Beautifully decorated space as the balcony. You have a very nice view of the compound parking space through this balcony. Straight ahead, let's see the kitchen. It is a beautiful, modern, fully furnished kitchen. You've got an island. This is a double door fridge. You've got both microwave and oven. This is a provision for either dishwasher or washing machine. And this is your 5-burner electric hot plate. On top of that is your hood. You've got a modern double bowl sink. And this is the exit from the kitchen to the backyard. Now a highlight of your beautiful huge size of a living space that is nicely set up. Now through this walkway we have access to the bedrooms. So this is our bedroom number 1. It is beautifully furnished. About 3 sizable windows that has curtains already. You've got this beautiful huge size of floor to ceiling inbuilt wardrobe. Let's see the washroom for this bedroom. And a spacious, clean washroom with all the high quality washroom accessories nicely fitted. Now let's see the bedroom number 2. Well, this is the inside of the bedroom number 2. As you can see, it is now being prepared to the very best of its finishing state. Now let's see the washroom. It is also clean, beautiful, and sizable washroom with all high quality accessories. It's just a mirror like of the bedroom number 1. Now this door opens straight into the master's bedroom. This is beautifully furnished. And the price for is and this is the inside of the master's bedroom. Let's see the washroom for this master's bedroom. You have a huge size of a standing shower with a glass cubicle. You have this beautiful accessories fitted alongside the WC with this bidet. This is a modern, beautiful floating vanity set. Once again, in USD, moving hassle-free in this fully furnished, cozy 3-bedroom home and start enjoying your new property right away. Call or WhatsApp us now on the numbers on your screen to schedule a viewing or get more information. East Legon Hills, your perfect home.